Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. So today we are going to talk about light and refraction in terms of light. So light is a form of energy which is found naturally or artificially in the world. So what light can travel a straight line, can travel and get blocked by some object. Light can travel within an object and gets bent, right? So there are different ways a light passes through or get blocked by any object. So let's understand this phenomena in terms of light. So these are called, few are called reflection and few are called refraction. So when there is a natural form of light, say sun, and then it falls on a smooth surface. Let's say this is a mirror, and then the light gets reflected or bounce back, and it travels and reaches the eye of a person. This phenomena is called reflection. So a light falling on a smooth surface, then it is bouncing back or it is getting reflected from that surface, not passing through, and travels and then reaches the eye of a person. This phenomena is called reflection. So with this phenomena, you will be able to see something because the light is getting reflected from that surface. So let's say you have a mirror, you will be able to see yourself. If you have any other object, let's say tree, stone, right, you're able to see because they are reflecting that light. So light is going into that and they are reflecting, and it is coming to your eyes because of the phenomena of reflection. So you are able to see an object because of refraction. Okay. Now the second phenomena is refraction. So let's say if you have an object, let's say it is a triangular prism, right? So if the light travels through the prism, it hits the surface of the prism and then it gets refracted, meaning the rays are falling on an object, and that object lets the light bend and pass through that, and then you are able to see through that object. This phenomenon is called refraction. So you are able to see something through the object because of the light that is coming in from the source of light, in this case sun, is passing through that object and it is getting refracted. So best example, one of the best examples is prism. So prism refracts the light, and it lets the light passes through it, and you are able to see this. So this phenomenon is called refraction. Another example is, let's say you have a magnifying glass, right? And then you have the light passing through the magnifying glass, and you have a small object here, and then this object appears bigger. This is also refraction because the light is passing through that object, it is bending it, and then because of the feature of that object, of this object, magnifying glass, you are able to see the bigger size of the object. So you are able to see this object on a bigger size because of the phenomena of refraction. So hope you understand what is the difference between a reflection and a refraction. Now there are few more things in relation to light. One is transparency. So So transparency has three types, right? One, you are able to see an object completely. You are able to see the object partially. You are not able to see through an object, which is no visibility. Right? So if light passes through an object completely and you are able to see through that object, it is called a transparent object. Okay? If the light passes through an object partially and you are able to uh, see through that object partially, that object is called translucent. And if you are not able to see through an object at all, that object is called opaque. Right? So let's say you have a person is standing behind an object and you are able to see the head of the person clearly. This portion of the object is transparent. If you are able to see the portion of the body partially, then this portion of the object is translucent. And if you are not able to see any portion of the body of a man standing behind that object, this portion of the object will be opaque. So that's how the light and the transparency works. So hope you understood the concepts about the transparency, reflection and refraction. Thank you.